We're out at Trophy Club today, out in Trophy Club, Texas. This is our 27th year developing out the town of Trophy Club. Today we're at the Trophy Club Town Center. As you can see from behind me, this is the retaining wall. North American Properties is building the apartment building just beyond this wall. We have 50,000 square feet of retail, and Green Brick is doing 39 townhomes right behind the area over here, just over my left shoulder. Excited about this crown jewel of Trophy Club. Should be open in another 6 months. With the retail, apartments will follow, and then we have a new A-Loft hotel just going up right behind this retaining wall. Very exciting times. More to come, and we'll show you the video of the brick that's going to be going up on the retail, and then we'll also show you some video around the site so you can see all the new things that are coming in, including the new park that'll be right centered around the retail area and the town center area. Stay tuned, and please subscribe down here at the bottom.